So hey, yeah, welcome back guys. We are on question number 26 of driver CP sheet. So let's see what the question is. It is repeating cipher and what is that? Polycarp loves cipher. तो Polycarp को cipher पसंद है. He has invented his own cipher called repeating. कुछ तो बनाया उसने repeating नाम का. Repeating cipher is used for strings. Okay, to encrypt the string s equal to s1 s2 s2 s3 sum where m is in the range of 1 to 10. So कोई तो एक string बनी है जो कि combination of these part of string है या character let's just say. Polycarps use the following algorithm. तो उसके algorithm देखते हैं. He writes down s11. तो जो भी पहला कैरेक्टर होगा उसको 1 बार लिख देगा. He writes down s2 twice. दूसरे कैरेक्टर को 2 बार, तीसरे को 3 बार, and for m it would be m times. So for example s equal to bab, तो that would become पहला कैरेक्टर once time तो b, and then second character 2 times so b double a, and the third character 3 times so p a triple p. So given a string s, you the result of inscription is some string s. You're tasked to decrypt it. तो हमें तो decrypt करना है. And input किस तरीके से? The first line contains integer n and दिया होगा which is in the range of 1 to 55, right? So कोई एक n है, 1 to 55 है length of the encrypted string. Then string दी जाएगी हमें. It contains only lowercase letters. Okay, the length of t is exactly and it is guaranteed that the answer to the test exists. Print the such string after encryption. It equals t. Okay, decrypt करनी है हमें string मिली है. So how to do that? Yeah, it would be quite simple. So let's see. Let's try coding it out. This code is from our last video. Go check it out if you haven't. And let's code it out, right? So first we are dealing with the size of it, string, right? Oops. And then we need a string. So that's it. प्री प्रोसेसिंग तो हो चुकी है, स्ट्रिंग इनपुट करा ली है. अब हमारा फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर, देन हमें ये कैरेक्टर चाहिए, देन ये चाहिए. तो वी नीड टू हैव अ स्ट्रिंग आउटपुट. And for length part, let's just take a variable name length, right? And some for iterating I. So while I is less than n, we're gonna do something, and that would be we're gonna push a character in the result. That would be s of I, and if that part is done, we're gonna increment it by length. And after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna print result, right? So what I have done here is रिजल्ट में सबसे पहले s of 0 पुश बैक कर दिया. I is 0, लेंथ 1. तो अगला जो एलिमेंट है वो 1 लेंथ के बाद मिलेगा, तो 0 + 1. तो अगला करेक्टर मिल गया हमें a, एंड लेंथ बिकम नाउ 2. सो अगला जो करेक्टर है वो 2 लेंथ के बाद मिलेगा, तो 1 + 1 2. अगले अब लेंथ हो चुकी है 3, एंड जो अगला करेक्टर है वो मिलेगा 1 + 1 + 1. सो या that's the point. Let's see whether it works or not. Let's provide it the input. For this it is answer is bab. Okay, I've made a mistake here. Not here, bro. This point, silly mistakes. So first one is bab. Yep, that's correct. Let's try the second one. It's oops, which is also correct. इसको try कर लेते हैं एक बार लास्ट बार, ये भी बेचारा बच गया. So 1z. So yeah, z correct. Beautiful. Let's download the code. This is code question number 26. Let's save it. Let's try submitting it. Why always do I do this thing? Submit. Let's see whether it passes all the cases or not. Running on test 1, 8, accepted. Beautiful. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.